You're welcome to my channel. We are going to continue with access, and we are going to first redo what we did last time, but we are going to create something else, something new. So we are going to first create a folder as we did last time. A folder, so we name the folder, name this folder Livingstone. Then after that we open. Before we open, we come here on search, then you type in access. Access, it is here. So you tap on it. Then they bring you here, you tap on blank. Not like that. You tap on this, then you name the file. Let me say Nature. Then you come here, you save it in the folder that we created. It was on the desktop. The file was called, the folder was called Livingstone, so you tap on Livingstone. Then you open. It has come here, Livingstone. Then after that you tap on create. So when we come in create, we are going to have two tables this time. You always create tables according to what they have asked for in the question. So we are going to have two tables. We are going to have the department table and then the lecturers table. So the table is already here. So you just come here and tap on design view. Then you name the table. It is called department. Department table. You say okay. So after saving, things change here. Then we are going to have the department ID. Department ID. You can write depart ID. Like that. Then the data type, it is going to be a text because it will be a mixture of letters and then figures. Then we have the department name. Department name. Then the text, either short or long. Then after that, they told us to make the department ID the primary key. So you highlight this. Here it has already made itself the primary key, but in case it hasn't, you tap on primary key here. You tap on primary key so the key comes. It is there. So it has highlighted itself as the primary key. Then after that you save. You come here to save the table. You tap there on save. Then you come here and then close. You can either tap there or press or type Ctrl S in order for you to save. Then after you come here, you close it. Yeah, then we supposed to create the second table. You tap here on create, then table, it has come, then home, you come on view, then you tap on design view. Yeah, then save table, lecturers table. Lecturers table. Yeah. Then here we are going to have the lecturer's ID. Lecturer's ID. Then the type, it's going to be a text because it's going to be a mixture of figures and ones. Here it has already highlighted itself as a primary key in this computer, but they never told us, in case they haven't told you to highlight it as a primary key, you can undo it. Like you highlight and then tap here on primary key, then it will go away. Yeah. Then we have the surname. It will also be a text. Then the first name. Then the gender. Then the date of birth. Date of birth. Qualification. You always do according to what they have told you in the question. Yeah, so we are assuming that this is what was asked in the question. So qualification and then department name. You write it like the way we had written it in the first table, the table that has the primary key. Yeah, so it was depart ID. Even here you write depart ID. Yeah. Then we come here on date of birth. The data type, it's going to be date or time. Then gender, it's going to be a text, but you have to put options for choosing. So you come here on loop wizard, then you tap on I'll type in the values that I want there. Then next, come here, type in female, then here male, next, then finish. Yeah, so after that the table is done. You come here and tap on save, then you come here and close the table. Yeah, so we are done creating our tables. We are going to continue from there in the next video.